Hey, what's up guys, it's Lucky White and today I'm going to be unboxing a Volvo V60 wagon. But first of all, actually I've put a new label on my table which says Lucky Whitey and it's gonna be there in all of my videos. Looks pretty good. And yeah, now let's move on to the actual car. It's from the Matchbox Superfast Edition, or well, collection. It is, well, in these, normal police colors. And yeah, so now let's, well, unbox it. So now that I've unboxed the car, I'll show it to you. This in real life comes in two models, the T5 and the T6. The T5 comes with an inline 5-cylinder engine producing about 250 brake horsepower and has an 8-speed automatic transmission. The T6 comes with an inline 6-cylinder engine producing about 325 brake horsepower and also comes with an 8-speed transmission, or 8-speed automatic transmission. This car looks actually really good for a wagon. I like how sleek it is. Very good line. Very well detailed. It says all the badges on it. It even says Volvo, has the Volvo logo on it, which is good attention to detail. And this is the box. Looks pretty good. Yeah, has the V60 badge and the T badge on it. You can see that's where it is. V40 and there's this T over there. And also says Volvo on the tailgate, which is good attention to detail there. And in such a small car, it's pretty difficult putting in these little small details, but Matchbox has put it. So yeah, looks pretty good actually. And then once again, this is the box. You can store the car in here and keep it pretty much in here, and it's all safe. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye.